Why you should own at least one Ethereum token. Hello guys, welcome back to the Crypto Diary. After this video, you will learn well-researched reasons why you should add at least one Ethereum to your investment portfolio. There is so much going on in the Ethereum universe right now, including Twitter's activities with Ethereum-based non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and JP Morgan CEO's vote of confidence. This is quite interesting because Jack Dorsey and Jamie Dimon, who are respective CEOs of the two companies, aren't big fans of Ethereum, especially the latter, who is a big cryptocurrency skeptic. I'll touch on this and the impact it could have on Ethereum's journey and ultimately ETH price movement. I'll also share some recent exciting projects that are based on the Ethereum network that you should keep an eye on. So, you might want to share this video with an Ethereum fan you know. Have you heard about the TOKENMETRICS platform? It is an accessible crypto analytics platform where you can make crypto profits like never before. There, you can find 100 times cryptocurrency gems and accurate bearish and bullish predictions. With TOKENMETRICS, you also get the fast profits of trading with the slow, oversized profits of buy and hold. Hop there now to register. Ethereum, the war machine to Bitcoin's Iron Man. Okay, that's a cheesy one, but I promise that analogy isn't my idea. Nevertheless, Ethereum's reputation surely precedes it. It is second only to good old Bitcoin when we talk of global market capitalization. Since its launch in 2015, Ethereum has seen its share of surges and crashes. However, it has been recently piquing the interest of crypto investors again since reaching new heights at the beginning of 2021's second quarter. But what makes Ethereum special? Is it the same as Ether? What exactly gives it value, and what is its long-term investment potential? If it's so cool, why should you own at least one Ethereum token right now? Before I attempt these questions and discuss Ethereum's investment potentials, let me quickly introduce the crypto for those who don't have a full grasp of how it works. What Ethereum is. It was invented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, a Russian-Canadian. Buterin might have been inspired by Bitcoin as he discovered then that the first cryptocurrency was like a pocket calculator that is designed to do just one thing. So he created a blockchain network called Ethereum with an associated crypto called Ether, ETH, with the potential to do more than Bitcoin. Basically, you can buy and trade Ethereum as an investment just like Bitcoin, but it is also a software platform that developers can use to make new applications. These applications are just like the ones on your phone. They may be anything from payment platforms to lending apps. However, smartphone apps are more universally applicable, while Ethereum apps are more geared towards crypto users. This is possible with smart contracts. A smart contract is a program that works independently on the Ethereum blockchain, so it performs all functions that some third party usually manage. For example, people can make direct transactions over the network, and on Ethereum, peer-to-peer lending is becoming more popular. A lending app developed on the Ethereum network allows a person to lend money to another without involving a bank. The smart contracts that make all these functionalities possible are algorithms designed to perform a particular function when some specific conditions are met. For the peer-to-peer loan case, the contract powers off the result, lending the money, when the collateral is put into the right wallet or account. Some of the advantages of using a smart contract instead of a traditional lender include speedy execution, lower fees, and the lack of bias or human error. Other uses of Ethereum. Just like other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum was built on the ideas of decentralized finance, DeFi, because the products and services that are on Ethereum are available to anyone who has access to the internet. Smart contracts allow creators to build decentralized applications, DApps, that can serve various purposes. These applications include financial tools like crypto exchanges, data services, and decentralized lending platforms. In addition, there are also categories of DApps for things like buying and selling games, digital artworks, and developer technology. Ethereum's open source principle allows for developers to build entirely new cryptos on top of it, like Chainlink and XRP, which are referred to as tokens. Some of these assets come in the form of various cryptos you may have come across, like Uniswap, Uni, Tether, USDT, or USD Coin, USDC. You should know that cryptos are not the only digital assets that can be created on Ethereum. Recently, NFTs are another example of something created on the Ethereum platform. Ethereum and Ether. It is mandatory for developers to pay a fee to the Ethereum network to create new tokens or DApps on the network. These payments are made in Ether, which is Ethereum's native currency. This fee is also called gas. Gas is the price for using the system, like paying for a ticket to use a bus. So Ether is the cash you'd use to pay. Note that different actions are worth different amounts of Ether, and the fees get higher as more people join the network. But what determines Ether's value? It's simple. The gas prices and all the uses developers are paying to explore constitutes the rise in Ether's value over time. So as more and more developers look to create, well, magic on Ethereum, they must buy more Ether to pay gas fees, which consequently increases Ether's price. Now, gas fees are one of the biggest challenges facing the growth of Ethereum. This is a constant problem, and Ethereum is trying to tackle this with Ethereum 2.0. It is an update on the network, but only developers can enjoy its advantages. According to the official Ethereum site, the update won't have any impact on investors and DApp users. So with Ethereum 2.0 in the works, we can all look forward to the interesting days ahead of the Ethereum network. When it is ready, experts say it'll likely be in 2022, mining Ethereum tokens will officially end and staking will become the major way to create new tokens. I'll talk about staking shortly. If you ask me, buying at least one Ethereum token before Ethereum 2.0 launch would be a very smart investment decision. A shaking up is expected after launch because it would mean more seamless operations on the Ethereum platform and more exciting projects making their way to the network. Some Ethereum projects you should know about. At the moment, many of the top projects developed on the Ethereum platform are focused on DeFis. DeFi aims to expand the use of cryptocurrencies from daily transactions to more complex financial use cases like derivatives and loans. So here are some massive projects built on Ethereum that are pulling weight. Marker DAO. You must have heard of stablecoins. Stablecoins are an effort to improve upon one of the problems of cryptos. Crypto prices fluctuate unpredictably, making them unsustainable as a means of payment and a dependable store of wealth. While most stablecoins are centralized, Marker DAO is different because it has a detailed plan for how to decentralize eventually. Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, so unlike most exchanges, Uniswap never takes control of a user's funds. Interesting, isn't it? It is the most popular decentralized exchange so far. Note that Uniswap is very crucial to Ethereum's recent booming DeFi movement. This is facilitating trades from coin to coin. Chainlink. This is another big project run on Ethereum's platform. Chainlink is an Oracle platform, meaning it links smart contracts with real-time data from the outside world as weather information or stock prices. A smart contract uses that data to execute predefined instructions. Chainlink is powered by an ERC20 crypto token called Link. You should check his channel for videos on Chainlink. Axie Infinity is an online role-playing game where users collect and raise digital, fantastical characters called Axies. Axies are actually NFTs, therefore each of them is cryptographically unique. Gamers have full ownership over them and in some cases have a monetary value due to their scarce collectible nature. Here are some Ethereum news. Twitter is giving out 140 Ethereum-based NFTs. This comes as a surprise because Jack Dorsey, the CEO of the social media giant, often specifically rejects Ethereum as an investment. Twitter announced the giveaway through Rarible, a major NFT platform using the Ethereum blockchain platform for minting digital collectible tokens. So is Twitter at odds with its CEO, who is a staunch Bitcoin evangelist? And why didn't they launch their NFTs on Bitcoin? Truth is, Bitcoin offers way fewer functionalities when it comes to issuing NFTs or doing DeFis. In fact, all of the DeFis we are currently seeing are layered to sidechains. They aren't done natively in Bitcoin. This is because Bitcoin doesn't have the best functionalities for them, as it is limited. As a matter of fact, all the NFTs marketplaces are on Ethereum. Ethereum clearly wins in this regard, so Jack doesn't really have a choice as much as he hates Ethereum. I think that's great news for Ethereum and holders of ETH. Twitter now joins the likes of Reddit, who has also adopted Ethereum's functionality in some way. Skybridge Capital's Anthony Scaramucci wants to launch an Ethereum fund and will file for an ETF too. Anthony Scaramucci is Skybridge Capital's CEO, who has already invested about $500 million in Bitcoin. This is another great news for Ethereum. There are 13 Bitcoin ETF applications as of the time of making this video. ETFs are exchange-traded funds. Ethereum's first ETF was recently released but hasn't been approved in the US at the time of making this video. In Canada, Bitcoin ETFs were approved first before Ethereum ETF approval. So Canada now has 3 to 4 Bitcoin ETFs in 2 to 3 Ethereum ETFs. That's great, and might happen in other countries where cryptos are widely adopted. Once ETFs are approved, they could potentially drive liquidity into the market. JP Morgan CEO says Ethereum upgrades can jumpstart a $40 billion staking industry. Ethereum 2.0 staking contract is approaching 6 million staked Ethereum. Now, that's a lot of confidence and belief in the Ethereum 2.0 network and in the ability of developers to deliver on the Ethereum 2.0 network. Big money is starting to make its way into the network. A proof of this is JP Morgan CEO, who has been talking about Ethereum. This strongly suggests that big money players are now paying a lot of attention to the network. So JP Morgan says Ethereum upgrades can jumpstart a $40 billion staking industry. But I think when we see Ethereum 2.0 get out, a lot of big money will come in. We've already been seeing big money coming in, but right now the big money players involved are forward-thinking players who understand what this asset is and its potentials. They are set for the long term. Ethereum price prediction. Predicting the price of any crypto is difficult, and even more difficult when it is Ethereum. As a flashback, the 2018 bear market was devastating to ETH, as it lost more than 92% of its value, but it has rebounded from that level. The Ethereum blockchain undoubtedly remains the most expansive smart contract platform, and of the top 100 tokens subject to market cap, 96% are Ethereum-based. More so, of the 1,000 best tokens, 89% consist of Ethereum. So there is so much to be cheerful about if you already own ETH or plan to own despite the weak price movements of late. An ETH is currently at $2,220 at over $258 billion, and this reflects a 9.32% increase, according to CoinMarketCap as at the time of making this video. Some crypto experts already forecasted $3,516 by the beginning of December 2021, which is significantly higher than the price in the middle of the pandemic in 2020, around $370. ETH's all-time high is $4,362.35, but given the number of high-profile projects that are hopping on Ethereum and considering Ethereum 2.0 that's on the way, it won't be out of order if the token reaches around $4,500. This is about a 102% increase of the current price with a market cap of over $400 billion, and we could see this in December 2021, first or second quarter of 2022. As I close, Bitcoin's price movement is mostly about people moving their Bitcoins, whether buying or selling, but with Ethereum, there is more you can do. You can be doing DeFi or buying, NFTs or stablecoins or whatever else you are interested in. So many opportunities for you. Therefore, I don't see Bitcoin's price movement as a major price catalyst for Ethereum. And with more social proofing from big companies like Twitter and JP Morgan speculation on the staking industry because of Ethereum, the long-term picture for Ethereum certainly looks good. Thanks for watching.